There's a reason certain articles of clothing get passed down from generation to generation. It's because they tell a story, and it's important to keep that story alive and make sure it never fades. Family owned and operated since 1938, Janet Davis Cleaners has been entrusted to give the utmost care to your wedding gowns, special items, and heirlooms for generations. Our vintage and heirloom garment restoration renews your family's memories, bringing wedding gowns, uniforms, jerseys, and other clothing over 30 years old back to life. Using an odor-free, environmentally friendly cleaning process, we're able to restore each garment carefully and safely and bring it as close to its original condition as possible. And to ensure this special care, each vintage or heirloom item is cleaned individually, separate from the regular dry cleaning, and is prepared for you on a hanger or in a chest ready to be stored. At Janet Davis Cleaners, we pride ourselves in being certified by the Association of Wedding Gown Specialists, and our process is endorsed by the Association of Bridal Consultants. No matter what article of clothing you want to restore, make sure they stand the test of time with Janet Davis Cleaners.